Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Caitlin, and in this video I will show you how to mold and dip cakesicles, as well as how to decorate them with homemade modeling chocolate. Let us know in the comments if you like to use modeling chocolate or fondant to make your molded decorations. Cakesicles are a great way to use up your leftover cake and icing. They are also much easier to mold, dip, and decorate than cake pops. Try out the methods used in this video with your cake scraps and let us know how it goes by tagging us on Facebook or Instagram. Continue watching this video to learn how to make modeling chocolate. Let's get started. I am going to start by making modeling chocolate using candy melt and corn syrup. Melt 1 pound of white chocolate candy melts in a bowl using 30-second intervals. Be sure the chocolate is just melted and barely warm. Then, use a scale to weigh 4 ounces of corn syrup. Warm the corn syrup in the microwave using 10-second intervals until barely warm. The candy coating and corn syrup should be the same temperature. Pour the corn syrup into the candy melts and gently fold together using minimal strokes. Be sure not to overmix, as it will become oily and there is no way to fix the mixture. Wrap the modeling chocolate in plastic wrap and allow it to cool at room temperature overnight. When you are ready to use the modeling chocolate, warm a small amount in your hands by kneading it. Once it has become pliable, knead in orange oil-based food color with gloved hands. Make sure to only use a small amount of color and add more if needed. Set the colored modeling chocolate to the side and color another small amount with forest green oil-based color. Break off a small amount of orange modeling chocolate. Knead and press into the pot section of the mold. Make sure the orange does not go past this section. Then, press the green modeling chocolate into the succulent part of the mold. Be sure to apply pressure when molding to ensure the modeling chocolate is pressed into the entire cavity. Use a poly blade to trim off any excess, then add a small piece of modeling chocolate over the orange and green to attach the pieces together. Turn the mold over and gently press on the back side of the mold to release the pieces. Next, make your cakesicle filling by crumbling cake pieces into a bowl. Add a small amount of buttercream and mix together with gloved hands. Your mixture is ready when you press it together and it holds its shape. Be sure not to add too much frosting, as this will cause the mixture to be too oily and not hold its shape. Press the cake-sicle mixture into the mold, making sure to apply firm pressure to eliminate any air bubbles. Insert wooden popsicle sticks in the bottom of each cavity. If you have not already cut the space for this stick, you will have to apply a lot of pressure to break through the silicone barrier. Be sure to press down any cake-sicle mixture that comes up due to the popsicle stick. To remove the cake-sickles, pull the sides of the mold away to release, then gently press on the back side of the mold to remove. Once the cake-sicle is out of the cavity, push the stick through the hole to remove the entire cake-sicle. If your cake-sickles are too soft to remove, place them in the freezer for 10 minutes before unmolding. Set these to the side on a piece of parchment until you are ready to dip them. To dip the cake-sickles, melt white chocolate candy coating in the microwave using 30-second intervals. If your chocolate is thick, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of Paramount crystals. Transfer the chocolate to a tall cup, making sure it is filled close to the top so you can dip the entire cake-sickle. Dip the cake-sickle into the chocolate, then gently shake to remove any excess and clean off the backside on the side of the cup. Place on a parchment-lined baking sheet to set up. Continue dipping all of the cake-sickles. If the chocolate starts to get too low, tilt the glass to help cover it, or fill the cup with more melted chocolate. Set the cake-sickles aside to set up for 10 to 15 minutes. Fill a tipless bag with the remaining white chocolate to decorate with later. Once the chocolate on the cake-sickles has set, remove them from the parchment paper. Be sure to have all of your decorating supplies ready to go. I will be using white chocolate, nonpareils, and modeling chocolate to decorate these cake-sickles. To decorate, drizzle a cake-sickle with the melted white chocolate candy coating and immediately add sprinkles. Attach the modeling chocolate succulents with a small amount of melted chocolate. Package these cake-sickles in cellophane bags to ensure they stay fresh. Enjoy these cake-sickles within 5 to 7 days. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and turning on the notifications. Your support will help us grow our channel and create more videos. Leave a comment below and let us know if you have made homemade modeling chocolate and if you prefer this method or rolled fondant for molding decorations. If you want to see more videos like this one, check out the chocolate candy coating desserts playlist on our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram to stay updated on our newest products, and be sure to check out our stories for upcoming projects. Our social media links can be found in the description box below. We love to see how you use products from our store, so be sure to tag us in your posts. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.